where you say me can't go ears. Regular me did the y'all Rocky and me place.
You go stand up at the sign out of years what's leaving. Should I go in at the town see if you wouldn't lead on bleeding.
Bang.
For more civilized age.
I'm here to them for no say G40 the lyrical machine I represent for Edjahz, the baddest YouTube channel on the globe. I'm here to say please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment if you don't mind. Click the notification bell for your latest update. Right now, don't wait.
The dog, I last time me a blood clot killer. Last time.
Up move, it's never done move. You don't know if Edjahz there on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all no change. The door is always open, so no know if you go do. Now first thing first, straight big up for the zombie. To how you add up the place and show the younger DJ them how it's done. I have to show my respect. Whole heap of fans go on them tour where they eagerly await for a while. Enough time them think so them did go get one, then artists get caught up out of nowhere. Now the zombie see the prey from a very dark angle. The artists say the fans them hungry for a clash. So the man stay from where him there and send out a couple memo to beer bad artists. Some never answer as expected, while some accept the offer and decided to entertain the fans them. Big up your damn self, Gage, and big up your damn self, Fully Bad. On a well brave and a proof, so on a well bad, and a just chatting. You know much artists going with Buckley ready, be a true word style and girl style. Big up to Silver for sending out the reminder how dancehall get to work from morning. But see enough people say, yo, Silver a troublemaker, I'm a run from Gage and all kind of madness. Again, big up Gage, real warmonger. But you see the people who are try style Shawn Storm on for lift up. Who don't know the entertainer situation. And the man literally try come save the clash culture where some artist boy are try get rid of. Some have to salute Shawn Storm people in a real life. Anyways, all who feel like the clash done, think again. Shawn Storm release another track, this time fire directly at Gage. But first, me could kick off the show and our vibes to the previous diss track.
Them are just some tropical breeze, not a storm. We full of good like King Alarm. Bad by we self, no bad back a boss. Your friend them a gun thief, not criminal.
We them so lame. Oh blah 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 blah, everyone sound the same. Oh tropical breeze, you know your mama hold me cocky and breeze. She say it edible like she's snacking.
You a cast no bait. When Mars start at the sweetest thing, for me to sing. Feel so your bad, you beat up him.
So Shawn Storm returned for your at Gage people. The entertainer finally bust a reprisal upon Gage Resident Evil. As I say yesterday people, that track they ready for war, that is not a direct diss track. It's more likely a bad people track. This is Shawn Storm round 2 track. And this one is definitely aimed directly at Gage. Check out what I go on.
You hated and me trending, you really just pretending, fucking condescending. Without you know where that me ignorant must apprehending.
So that's the Zombie Shawn Storm new official audio track entitled Hurricane Season, and it's directly aimed at dancehall entertainer Gage. Now, as usual, as expected, Shawn Storm flow on point. We don't know where the entertainer find them flow here, but for the last 3 songs them when dropping at the war people, the flow of them not normal. And what about that one here to people, Shawn Storm do a lot of counteraction from the get-go. In a Gage Resident Evil, Gage say Shawn Storm outdated. Now Shawn Storm counteract the line there and I make Gage know say, oh, I'm outdated, I'm trending right now. That's simply a showing us I'm currently relevant, so you need to fix up that at the Gage. And that's according to Shawn Storm people. I know Edjahz says so.
I used to sell pussy a bigger claim. You go stand up at the sign out of years what's leaving. Should I go in at the town see if you wouldn't lead on bleeding.
Yo, Shawn Storm not take no breathing up people. The man just a burn up the rhythm so. Now right there in a them line there, Shawn Storm basically a beat up Gage. The artist say you see a picture there where Gage put up, where him approve say him there years and no boy can't do him nothing. Cause remember say Shawn Storm they threaten Gage in and this track near him win Gage. The zombie make Gage know say yo if him feel say him bad, go on down a ears by himself. Now Gage did address that at the inner him song and also physically. The entertainer put up a picture with him there years. Now the picture they were Gage take, Shawn Storm show the people him say here we go on. At the exit part that of the place, Gage will go down in the central part of the town and see if the thugs them now go left him a bleed on the ground.
Me tell you this no fall back man. Every style let me use a my own like a pattern. With the fishy jeans bad man I go batter.
Now the hear the part where Shawn Storm says a lyrical war. Why Gage lyrics keep on repeating. definitely at the court case situation Shawn Storm are addressed right there. I tell you now already, if you not look for Shawn Storm counteract them lyrics there, you not waste time. The most you not get to counteraction of them lyrics there are with the entertainer just do. Don't feel like Shawn Storm a idiot, him not go incriminate himself. So the entertainer skip round them talk there and counteract some other allegation from Gage. When you hear Shawn Storm just address following Vibes Cartel. Remember Gage saying a Resident Evil say Shawn Storm love follow back a man till him follow back a man go right in a jail. Now Shawn Storm just address that people. The entertainer make Gage know say fussy, him not follow back on a man. Every style where you see the artist use a fame one. A lot of counteraction and take place in other track here from Siva. Can definitely see the artists avoid addressing the case talk.
So if you ever put more killer them a drop a bomb, boy you one bag of gun, you get so much beat up. Dog, you is not a chopper.
Now remember in a Resident Evil, Gage make Shawn Storm know say here we go on. Me killer them over in a Portmore twin up. Don't feel like I have connection over your side. So it's like Gage just say same way like oh Shawn Storm have connection in a Maypen and same way have connection over Portmore. Now in this track, in the line we just play Shawn Storm counteract it. The entertainer make Gage know say here we go on. Anytime I go Portmore just know say it's a bomber drop on your foot. Because Shawn Storm dogs them over in the Morris and run joke, especially batty joke. Shawn Storm then went further and exposed Gage. The artist say, oh Gage fear say him have one bag of gun and get so much beat up. So once more again, Shawn Storm a forward with the beat up allegation. And we have to use allegation people. Fear just can't confirm the beat today. Remember it's a clash of go and it can go so for real and it cannot go so. The artist them ain't anything with father them mouth people just for hurt them opponent.
Boss, all him a do one yam. Plus Renee say, she love use your tongue, cause when I fear time, she never use a pad.
Very, very disrespectful lyrics right there from Shawn Storm. And I like how him lyrically put together them line there. Your girl give me the nookie session want a bad man. Because the knockoff boss all him a do and yam. Plus Renee say she love use your tongue. Because when I fear her time, she never use a pad. Sweet piece of rhyme people, but nasty and very disrespectful. We don't know if Gage actually there with a Renee or if it is Renee 630. But all me know the Renee with Shawn Storm a talk about. I say she tell him say she use Gage tongue as pad. Nasty piece of disrespect people. We all know Gage now go take that. It's obvious the entertainer pick up say the track where Shawn Storm dropped yesterday was not a diss track. So that's why I'm not hearing nothing from film side all now. But believe me, when the artist hear that track here, a straight in the boat him gone. Expect a reprisal anytime soon.
Can't stop bust me gun go against zombie then wall on no must go down. New thing on a rustic.
Sick piece of chorus from Shawn Storm. The flow na normal. Now clashing is not all about digging up dirt on the opponent people. And the most important thing in the clash, but another that alone make the song mad. You still have to keep the basic them on point. And I one thing we know with the zombie and this track people. The flow them not normal, them sick. Hear how the man chorus sound like a verse people to how it bad. And the next thing, as fast as how my yarn people, the track still catchy. Well, the chorus catchy, it's stuck in our brain. Can't stop bust my gun, go against zombie, the whole on must lay down. New thing I never no rusty gun. Zombie now go itch when boy blood for run. As I say people, I like the flow of the artist has spit fast and it still managed to be catchy. Bad chorus from Shawn Storm, more from the official audio track. Hurricane season.
Boy we engage, commit gangster treason. Do interviews, say you like Vin Diesel. No reason, no reason.
I forgot to do some little research on that people, because I don't know if that I remember that. And we are talking about the last line there about Vin Diesel. Shawn Storm definitely body up Gage name right there. Hurricane season, Siva say him no need no reason for going and Gage scheme and mash up a team, mash up him crew. The entertainer then went further and style him as Win Gage and say him go up and interview brawling same like Vin Diesel. Judgment burn off that. Even if Gage says so, definitely we know him no mean the body way, because he would have definitely have to fly out like DJ White Man.
Walk with the eagle, damn it's so evil. Bullets I go eat, spray you like vehicle. Zombie me name, not really like people.
Sick piece of track from Shawn Storm. Him flow and him lyrics and him style always on point. But you don't know enough people now gonna appreciate the entertainer track them because him not have enough dirt pan Gage. Alright, there's some see Shawn Storm need for focus pan more. Alright, there's some see him lock. Him a talk the things them, lyrics them bad, flow bad. Him a do 1 and 3 counteraction. But you see in terms of dirt, Gage file, it no look like Siva have a lot on him. So Shawn Storm a try win the clash with lyrics, flow and style. And that a go rough cause most of them fans here no meds the track them people. Them want hear hear mix up and them want the artists get embarrassed, believe me. Anyways, let me know the thoughts and opinion on this track with Shawn Storm release. For now, big up the two artists them. Big up Silver and big up Gage. That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers who stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
In a war, me no stand alone. Me on the zig with chrome. Egg bust like cantaloupe. Can't stop, bust me gun go.